Hello, my name is Mariana and I'm going to show you how to assemble the Mothbox. These are the parts you got on your box. For now, we're not going to use the charger or the lens cleaning kit, and I'm assuming you already charged your Mothbox by plugging the charger to here, and that you did any software updates that are needed. So the first step is to attach the legs to the Mothbox. There are two legs, and they're similar, but they have different orientation. So what we want to do is to have them go like this. So we need to make sure the both side is outside in both this leg and then on the left leg in the outside. We won't touch the upper bolt, only the bottom two, so you can put your fingers there and unscrew the bolts. Then we pass this through the holes in the box. And secure them. There. Once one leg is secured, we can move on to the second one. And then the other one. Then the landing surface goes on the legs. Press, and we have the Mothbox ready to mount. So that's the first step, and we're done with this. The second step is preparing the tree attachment. This is the tree attachment. The tree is going to be on this side, so we need to prepare it before putting it on the tree. And we prepare it by looking at the side. We have these two holes for the straps. This is how the straps come once you take them out of the bag. And they're gonna go with this orientation, with the black part facing the same way as the tree attachment. There. This is the other one. And I'm assuming you already choose the combination for the lock. The default is 000, so that's the one I have. Press here. And then we're gonna put the lock on the left side and pass the chain through the big holes in the middle. Like this. And now the tree attachment is ready to deploy. We have the tree attachment ready to be attached to the tree. So the first step is to press the bottom to release the latch and open couple straps. Then we're gonna attach the top one first. We put it around the tree. And then we need to take the end of the strap and pass it through the side here. There's a slit in the middle, so it has to go through there and then back out. Then we tighten it, and then we press the button again and we ratchet it and give it a few turns until it's firmly attached to the tree. And we can do the second one. So we take the end of the strap and it has to go through the middle slit here. And then back out this way. We press the button and then we ratchet a few times, and it has to be firmly attached. Then we're ready to set the Mothbox there. Take it by the handle, we rest it, and it's very important that this red chain passes through the handle, so it's secured to the tree attachment, and then it hangs there at an angle. And in this, I'm using this stump to show you the process, but when you deploy it, it should be higher up on a tree. If it's too close to the ground, then mice come and eat the moths. Bye.